In this video, we'll discover the power of herbal tea, health benefits, types and tips. We'll take you on a captivating journey through the wonderful world of herbal tea. From its countless health benefits to the various types and delicious recipes, you'll learn everything you need to know to make the most of this incredible natural elixir. So, pick up your preferred mug, relax, and let's begin. Herbal tea has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments and as a soothing beverage. Its health benefits are abundant, and today, we'll delve into some of its most remarkable properties. But first, let's take a look at the different types of herbal tea. There are numerous types of herbal tea, each with its own unique flavors and benefits. Whether you're seeking an energy boost, relaxation, or specific health improvements, there's a herbal tea for everyone. But what makes herbal tea so powerful? It's the combination of nature's finest ingredients. From chamomile to peppermint, ginger to lavender, these natural herbs and botanicals work in harmony to provide a wide range of health benefits. Herbal tea is not just a comforting beverage, it's one of the best natural remedies. It can support digestion, promote weight loss, relieve stress, and even enhance the immune system. If you're feeling tired and need an energy boost, herbal tea can be a great alternative to coffee. It provides a gentle pick-me-up without the jitters. On the other hand, if you're looking for relaxation and tranquility, herbal teas like chamomile or lavender can help calm your mind and promote better sleep. Regular consumption can lead to long-term benefits for your overall health and well-being. To achieve the best results when preparing herbal teas, it is important to follow a few key tips. First, always use water that is at a rolling boil, typically around 100 degrees Celsius. Once the water reaches this temperature, you can proceed to add your chosen herbs. It is crucial not to add the herbs to the water before boiling, as doing so will result in a condensed and bitter brew rather than a pleasant tea. The selection of herbs will depend on the specific effects and flavors you desire. Different herbs offer various benefits and taste profiles, so choose accordingly. Allow the herbs to steep in the hot water for a minimum of 5 minutes. This duration allows the flavors and medicinal properties of the herbs to infuse properly into the tea. When it comes time to serve the tea, use a fine mesh strainer to remove the herbs from the liquid. Simply position the strainer over your cup and pour the tea through it, ensuring a smooth and herb-free beverage. To enhance the taste, consider adding some honey to your herbal tea. Honey is the best option as it contains lower levels of fructose and is metabolized more slowly by the body compared to refined sugar. This characteristic leads to longer-lasting energy and prevents sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Whether you're looking to support your digestion, boost your immune system, or simply enjoy a cup of aromatic herbal tea, these tips will cater to your specific needs. As you embark on your herbal tea adventure, remember to explore different brewing techniques and discover your own unique rituals. The process of preparing and enjoying herbal tea can be a therapeutic and meditative experience. Now that you're equipped with knowledge about herbal tea's health benefits, types, and recipes, it's time to incorporate this wonderful elixir into your daily routine. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the world of herbal tea. From its countless health benefits to the diverse range of flavors and recipes, herbal tea has something for everyone. So, why not start exploring the wonderful world of herbal tea today? Cheers to your health and well-being.